to use PlayStation SharePlay feature. So let me tell you guys, you cannot host or fully participate in a host-controlled PlayStation SharePlay session directly from a mobile device. However, you can use the official PlayStation app on your iOS or Android phone to watch a friend's share screen session if they are broadcasting from a PS4 or PS5 console into a party chat. Now, there are some requirements to view shared screen on mobile. Download and install the PlayStation app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and then sign in using the same PlayStation Network account linked to your profile. Also, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and your friend must already be hosting an active shared screen session from their PS4 or PS5 console inside the party. Now, to watch a friend's share screen on mobile, what you have to do is open the PlayStation app on your mobile device, then tap Settings in the top right corner, open the PlayStation app on your mobile phone, then tap the message icon in the top right corner to go to the parties or voice chat section, then join the party chat where your friend is currently streaming their game, and then tap on the active share screen stream box to view the gameplay feed on your phone. You can also use the on-screen options to expand to full screen, adjust audio volume, or send interactive reactions or emojis. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.